Hey guys, welcome to Sandyland. This is Sandra, aka Sandy, with you guys. We're all quarantined, we're all locked down, and we're going through pretty tough times. And I hope you're all hanging in there. So, since the lockdown began here in UAE, one thing that my family and I have been doing is cooking to keep us entertained. Now, I'm a lazy person, I hate cooking and I hate going to the kitchen. But now cooking has become a pastime and I'm pretty entertained. So I came across this recipe on Facebook to make a snow pudding and I tried it and it turned out to be pretty tasty. So I thought you guys should also try it and without further delay, let's just jump right into the video of me making snow pudding. I apologize because I actually lost the footage of me making the caramel for the snow pudding. So instead of adding it into the footage, I'm just gonna explain how I did it instead. So I hope you guys can forgive the small mistake that I made.
To make caramel, place a saucepan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Once the sugar starts to liquefy and boil, swirl it to avoid burning it, and also avoid stirring. Once the color changes to brown, take it off of the heat and transfer to a steel bowl like the one I'm using here. Then swirl the steel bowl to coat the bottom and sides with caramel. Now to make the pudding, all you need are 2 egg whites and sugar. Once I separated the egg yolks from the egg whites, I proceeded to beat the egg whites until it was a creamy white foam. And then I added 1 cup of sugar into the bowl. And I continued beating it until I got to see the soft peaks. I then transferred the beautifully creamy white mixture into the caramel bowl. Once the mixture was completely transferred into the caramel bowl, I covered it with aluminum foil and then placed it inside a steaming chamber. I left it there for 15 minutes and checked if it was cooked. Once the mixture was cooked, I took it out and transferred it to a plate. And guess what came out? Ta-da! So basically this is the snow pudding and I'm really excited to show you all. The insides of the pudding is basically white and it melts away in your mouth. So it's a beautiful dessert and you all should try it. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye!